In today's show, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 converging factors which suggest that the Bitcoin rally is just starting, even after a 150% surge. Taking a look at this tweet from crypto analyst Crypto Horn Hairs, who wrote, "The BitMEX funding and premium index is still negative, bullish sign number 1. Number 2, we're above the yearly VWAP. Number 3, above the 200-day daily moving average. Number 4, there's a bullish one-day cloud, which I covered in yesterday's show. And number 5, the Bitcoin halving is just 8 days away." Here's what he said: "You might not call in short the top, but you'll save yourself a lot of potential headache just by waiting for a break in the one-day market structure." We'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. Also, in today's episode, BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes teases a $420,000 Bitcoin price as Elon Musk asks crypto traders for anime Bitcoin. Yeah, you can't make this up. Everyone remembers Elon's tweet back from August of 2018 where he wrote, "I'm considering taking Tesla private at 420. Funding secured." We all know the reference of what 420 really means. Watch the episode with Joe Rogan and Elon Musk if you don't know what I'm talking about. Now, this is interesting because this one tweet, this sense of humor, cost him $40 million fine, which he had to pay the SEC. Now, Arthur Hayes just responded here, "Funding secured. I'm taking Bitcoin private at $420,000. Many thanks to the Vision Fund for their support." And then Elon Musk just wrote this: "How much for some anime Bitcoin?" Very interesting conversation, to say the least. We'll be giving you the full scoop here in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, Bitcoin back in the green. Some of the major cryptos also in the green. Some are in the red. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more, in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in attending a free online event and Q&A session with the #1 most trusted person in cryptocurrency, Teeka Tiwari, entitled 5 Coins to 5 Million, Last Chance Until 2024, you'll discover a handful of tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn $500 into 5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon you won't see again until 2024. To register VIP for this live event taking place this Wednesday, May 6th at 8 p.m. Eastern, click the link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story of the day: 5 converging factors which suggest the Bitcoin rally is just beginning, even after a 150% surge. Just 7 weeks ago, Bitcoin was trading down in the dumps at $3,700 after one of the worst trading sessions in the crypto market ever. In the wake of that move, there are many analysts calling for the crypto market to fall even lower than it had, but digital assets quickly rebounded across the board in a show of resilience. Thank God, right? Just around 50 days after the crash, and Bitcoin is now trading at about $9,100 to $9,200, which is 150% higher than the $3,700 lows, a stellar performance that puts almost any other $100 billion plus asset to shame. Those are facts, my friend. Although impressive, analysts are convinced that more upside is in the cards for the crypto market, citing a convergence of technical and fundamental factors boosting Bitcoin's outlook. Bitcoin's chart is overwhelmingly bullish. Let's dissect it. This past week has seen the crypto market explode after 2 weeks of accumulation. As reported by Bitcoinist previously, Bitcoin recently shot past 9,000, reaching a local high of 9,500, as we can see right here in this chart. This move past the ever-important 9K level, which acted as both psychological and technical resistance, is just the start of a greater bull run, a lot of analysts are saying. One well-known trader corroborated this narrative, identifying 5 technical and fundamental reasons to be bullish on Bitcoin at the moment, despite the fears of the global recession and downturn in the stock market. Now let's take a look at his tweet from Crypto Horn Hairs. Here's what he wrote: "BitMEX funding plus premium index is still negative. That's reason number 1. Reason number 2, above the yearly VWAP. Number 3, above the 200 daily moving average. Number 4, the bullish one-day cloud. And number 5, the halving is just 8 days away. Those are facts. You know what I mean? Asserting how strong the current bull trend is, the trader concluded by writing that while you might not call the short the top, you will save yourself a lot of potential headaches just by waiting for a break in the one-day market structure. As we all know, all eyes are on the halving. Let's actually take a look at the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. We have 8 days, 18 hours, and 6 seconds remaining. The estimated date for the Bitcoin halving set to be May 12th, which could be tentative because it all depends on what block we're at, but that's the estimated date for the Bitcoin halving at this current time. While all the topics the trader mentioned suggest more upside is imminent, the Bitcoin halving is likely to act as the biggest catalyst for the bull run, analysts say. So in approximately 8 days, Bitcoin will see what is known as its block reward reduction, or halving. This is when the number of coins minted per block mined is cut in half, in this case from 12.5 coins to 6.25. May's halving is expected to be certainly bullish for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market, with one prominent analyst suggesting that Bitcoin will have a fair price of around $288,000, over 3,000% higher than the current price after the event. We're talking about none other than Plan B of the stock to flow model. I covered this in a previous episode. Bitcoin's halving has generated so much hype that this outlet reported the Chinese word for the term briefly trended on Weibo, which is the Chinese version of Twitter, as the 6th most active term. The interest that Google users have in the term Bitcoin halving has also gone literally parabolic, eclipsing any previous point in crypto history by a long shot. So are you bullish on Bitcoin leading up to the Bitcoin halving? I know I am. Let me know in the comments right down below. And now for our next story of the day. CEO of BitMEX, Arthur Hayes, teases a $420,000 Bitcoin as Elon Musk asks crypto traders for anime Bitcoin. But before we break this down, let's actually take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is currently trading at $8,962, up 1% for the day. Bitcoin Cash up 1.7%, trading at $259. Satoshi Vision up 1% as well, trading at $212. Ethereum, the second largest crypto in the world, which I am also very bullish on for 2020 and 2021, is up 0.19%, trading at $213. XRP up 1.29%, trading at 22 cents. EOS up 1.3%, trading at $2.91. And now taking a look at the top crypto exchanges, we can see Binance up 25% with 6.3 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. OKEX up 10% with 2.7 billion in volume. BitMEX up 15% with 2.6 billion in volume. So as you can see, all the major exchanges, most of them, I should say, are pumping right now, which is another bullish sign for the crypto market. All right, now let's get to our next story. Arthur Hayes teasing a $420,000 Bitcoin price. We all know what 420 means, right? Just saying, I hope you do. The CEO of the crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX is highlighting Bitcoin's decentralization, teasing a massive Bitcoin price, and taking a shot at Elon Musk, all in a single tweet. On Friday, Arthur Hayes announced that he has secured enough funding to take Bitcoin off the public market once it hits the $420,000 mark. Taking a look at this tweet, funding secured. I'm taking Bitcoin private at $420,000. Many thanks to the Vision Fund for their support. So on May 1st, Elon Musk tweeted, Tesla stock price is too high, in my opinion. Now, this is a very unusual tweet, especially for the CEO of a major company to write that. He wrote it at 11:11 a.m., which is also very interesting. And this person at Bitcoin responded, Bitcoin price is too low, in my opinion. And then Elon Musk responded with, how much for some anime Bitcoin, along with this post. So I don't know if Elon Musk is trying to secretly tell us that he is bullish on Bitcoin, possibly hodling a lot of Bitcoin. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments right down below. All right, now for the backstory on this tweet. The statement is a twist on Elon Musk's infamous tweet about his plans to take Tesla private when it hits $420 a share, which I shared with you in the intro of the show. That tweet landed Musk in hot water with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which accused him of misleading investors. Musk eventually settled with the SEC and paid a $40 million fine without admitting any wrongdoing. $40 million for a tweet. Holy moly. Somebody take his Twitter privileges away from him. I'm just playing. The new viral tweet from Hayes, on the other hand, is placing a spotlight on the lack of control any one person has on the Bitcoin network and the inability for an agency like the SEC to point a finger at a person or group behind the leading cryptocurrency. In a recent newsletter, Hayes said he believes that in the mid to long term, Bitcoin's status as hard money with a capped and limited supply will stand out against a stimulus binge from the US. He's predicting Bitcoin will hit $20,000 by the end of this year. If you're excited to see BTC rise this year to a new all-time high, let me know in the comments right down below. Also, let me know how high you think we'll go. I personally feel we can dwarf that number very easily now that it's like over 3 years later from the all-time high set back in 2017. Well, at least it'll be 3 years by the end of the year. As for Musk, he's once again toying with Bitcoin and crypto traders after creating a new firestorm on Friday by declaring Tesla stock is overpriced. He then replied to Bitcoin asking how he can attain some Bitcoin in cartoon form, which I just shared with you, which is very interesting, wouldn't you say? So let me know your thoughts surrounding this story. And now let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, which is sitting at just over $250 billion, $252.9 billion to be exact, with $156 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current BTC dominance is 65.7%. And taking a look at the top gainers within the top 100, we can see Holo up 19%, trading at 0.0004. Matic Network up 10%, trading at 1.7 cents. Hyperon up 9.8%, trading at 37 cents. Ethereum Classic up 8%, trading at $7.35. Digibyte in the green, surging again, up 7%. Go Digi, trading at 1.9 cents. We're almost at that 2 cent mark, which is pretty cool. Raven Coin up almost 7%, trading at 2 cents. And now for the biggest losers within the top 100, Unibright down 10%, trading at 28 cents. Hive down almost 10%, trading at 33 cents. Hedera Hashgraph down 6.8%, trading at 4 cents. Energy down 4%, trading at $3.31. Streamer Datacoin down 4%, trading at 7 cents. And Nervos Network down almost 4%, trading at 0.004. And now checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are finally back in control, leading with about 20 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with shorts leading 50.48% versus 49.52% longs. Are you currently bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments right down below. And now checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. It shows we're currently rated a 45 in fear. Yesterday was a 40 in fear, last week a 26, and last month a 20 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking show more in the description right down below for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all 400 plus videos right here on the channel. Also, I have some very helpful resources for you to plug into. And FYI, today is the 200th episode of the podcast. So please show me some love. You could also download the latest episode of the show on my blog for the podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. This is updated every day, and it allows you to download the latest episode in MP3 format so you can listen to it when you're out and about on your way to work or just working out or on the go. Also, be sure to subscribe on YouTube if you haven't yet already done so. This helps out the show tremendously, and I greatly appreciate your support. You can also subscribe on any major podcasting platform, including Apple's iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio. So whichever podcasting platform you're active on, please help support the show. You can also follow us on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And I also have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy with over 17,000 cryptopreneurs from all over the world. So if you want to connect with like-minded individuals such as myself and yourself, be sure to click this link, request to join, and I'll be sure to plug you in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat, which I am very active in. To become a part of this, simply click this link from a mobile device and you'll you'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. In the meantime, let's sip on a crypto cocktail and watch Bitcoin and the crypto market go straight to the moon. And real quick before I go, if interested in attending a free online event and Q&A session with the #1 most trusted person in cryptocurrency, Teeka Tiwari, this Wednesday, May 6th at 8 p.m. Eastern, entitled 5 Coins to 5 Million, Last Chance until 2024 for your chance to discover a handful of tiny cryptocurrencies that could turn $500 into $5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon you won't see again until 2024. To register, VIP, click the link below this video in the description. It'll take you here. Simply enter your favorite email address and then click the button that says sign me up. Once you do, it'll redirect you here for this short video from Hector Pena, personal event guide of Teeka Tiwari, to help you prepare for this live event. You can also receive some pretty amazing bonuses for signing up for the VIP list, which you'll get bonus #1, Teeka's 2018 Legacy Investment Summit, which is valued at $1,595. Bonus #2, instant access to the Crypto Academy. And #3, concierge text reminder service, and I'll show you how simple this is to do. Simply enter your phone number here, then click the button that says join now. And once you do, it's going to redirect you here. And as you can see, video 2 inside the phenomenon is going to be released May 4th. There's already one video released called Teeka's Last Leg, which you can watch this right now. Then video 3 entitled the 1,000,000% trade is coming May 5th. And then you're going to get some exclusive training again leading up to the main event, which is going to take place May 6th at 8 p.m. Eastern. So literally we have 3 days, 10 hours, 53 minutes, and 36 seconds. So there's a lot to be excited about. I'm looking forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. So in the meantime, be sure to register, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.